Welcome to LNP Renewable System Limited. Today we are going to discuss some of the basics of electric vehicle technology, part 24. So if you have missed any part, no issue, please subscribe to our channel. In our channel, we have created a playlist so that you can see what are the things that we had already discussed in all the other 23 parts. Okay, this session is around 23 parts. Okay, so we are using so many short forms and abbreviations in our video. If you have any issues, so you can refer this for the clarity. So what are the things that we're going to discuss today in this point? So we are going to learn what are the key principles of local planning framework for an electric vehicle infrastructure, and what are the space requirement if you had a plan for electrical infrastructure, upstream infrastructure, and what is the how you can make the charging layout for off and on-street public parking is designed. Okay, and what are the different ways of getting charging point connections and how smart charging can be done. So for example, if you get into the key principles, we need to create the maximum accessibility. It should be available 24 into 7 hours. Okay, and we need to have a maximum utilization, and also we need to minimize the cost. So when we get into the space requirement for a upstream electrical infrastructure, say for example, if you're having an estimated load of 100 kilowatt to 300 kilowatt, then you need to have an installation of a 11 kilowatt pole, okay, with the plinth mounted on it. And the minimum area requirement for this is 4 meter to 4 meter pole. Plinth should be 8 cross 5. Okay, and if you're planning for a 300 kilowatt to 700 kilowatt, then you can install 11 kilowatt. Okay, but the plinth, the minimum area requirement will be 9 cross 5 meters. And if you are planning for an estimated load of 700 kilowatt to 1500 kilowatt, then you need to install 11 kilovolt plinths. Okay, and we need to have a minimum area requirement of 10 cross 8 meters. So when we try to create a off-street public parking, there we need to install around 6 chargers. 2 can be a DC charger. It can be a capacity of 25 kilowatt, and 4 should be AC charger, which should have a capacity of 3.3 kilowatt. Okay, it can be a industrial socket, and we need to have a 4 kilowatt parking base. It needs an area of 2.5 meter cross 5 meters. Okay, so in the 2 bays we need to have a provision for electric cars, and for the 2 bays we need to have a provision for parking the electrical scooters or autos. So when you're going for a charging layout for an on-street public parking, then you can have a layout like this. There also you need 6 chargers. Okay, but 2 can be AC charger and 4 can be a AC charger, but the capacity of the 2 chargers will be 7.4 kilowatt, and for the other AC charger can be 3 kilowatt. Okay, and the total area requirement will be 2.5 cross 5.5 meters for a 2 number of e-cars. And if you're going for a scooters, the area requirement is 2.5 meter cross 1.4 meters. And this is how it looks like. So there are different ways we can charge. One is that through the existing power from the grid, with the help of the electrical meters, we can charge our vehicles, or from the transformers by installing a new meter separately, we can make a charging provision. Or we can also do with the help of a solar panel. We have a battery storage, so from the solar we are converting the we can directly charge our DC batteries, and with the help of DC to AC inverters we can convert the DC power to AC, and we can charge our electric vehicles. So even with the help of a high tension line, by connecting a meter and a sub-meter provision also, we can charge our vehicles in a different way by providing a different charging port provisions. So as we know earlier, for everything we need a net meter connection if you're going for a solar, and unit charge will be different when the number of units increases. So how we can perform the smart charging? In order to establish the smart charging, we need approval from the DISCOM. After that, we need to have a OCPP, that is Open Charge Point Protocol, and we need to have a Open ADR, that is Open Automated Demand Response, and we need to have a DERMS, that is Distributed Energy Resource Management System, and we need to have a distributed energy resource, and most importantly we need to have a charge point operators and a central management systems. The best use of it, this is an example of a backend architecture, how a smart charging looks like. With the help of it, same like today's, with the help of a GPS system, we can able to locate the exact position of the charging point availability, and we can also check whether we can able to charge it or not, and also we can check our balance. So everything we can do in a smart way. So the tariff is different for different states. This is an example we had given here. Now this has been revised pretty in a better way in the different states. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. If you want to know more and learn more, you can contact us. We can provide the contact details here. We LNP Renewable System Integrator. We are providing PLC programming training for Siemens, Allenberg, Delta PLCs, along with the certification ISO 9000 2018 certification. If you're really interested to do the course, you can contact us. And if you had a plan to work in the GCC country, you want to know regarding the building management system and the building automation control system, then you can contact us. We have provided the contact details here. We LNP Renewable System Integrator. We provide solar on-grid, off-grid, hybrid applications, solar streetlights and solar pump services, design, installation, testing, commissioning, consultancy and training supports also. If you had a plan to establish a DC lighting system, then you can contact us. We are providing that supply. And if you had a plan to put fencing for your agriculture farms, then you can contact us. We can help you with the solar fencing kit. Okay. And if you want to learn the electric vehicle basics, then you can contact us. We are providing a training along with the certifications. Thank you so much.